Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today I'll be making chicken pâté, a spread I prepare whenever I make broth from a whole chicken or hen. As someone who makes a lot of bread, this recipe is perfect for making sure there are no leftovers. I'm using a whole hen that I cooked in a pressure cooker. Even though it's been pressure cooked, the meat still has plenty of flavor. First, separate the meat from the bones, and keep a bit of the skin for a juicier pâté. I usually save the skin from the wings and thighs. Add the meat to a food processor along with some of the cooked carrot, some butter and one hard-boiled egg. For the spices, I'm adding a quarter teaspoon each of smoked and sweet paprika, thyme, garlic powder and onion powder. Then add a generous shake of cayenne pepper and a few cracks black pepper. For saltiness I use a mix of half salt and half Vegeta. The Vegeta adds a subtle sweetness and a nice vegetable note to the pâté. To get a smooth texture and help everything blend, I'll use some of the same stock the chicken was cooked in. Blend until you have a silky, spreadable mixture. Now check for consistency and flavor. I rarely get it perfect on the first try, so I ended up adding a little bit more salt, some extra garlic powder and about half a ladle more of stock. Once you're happy with both the texture and the taste, transfer the pâté into a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. It'll keep in the fridge for at least 3 days, maybe longer, but in our household it's usually gone by day 3. Spread it on some crunchy bread and enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing for more recipes. Until next time, bon appétit!